Hi friends, welcome to Samora tutorial. Today we are moving on to online form. How you can create online form using Samora bot. Here we go. Now if you don't have an account before, you can install Samora and create websites. After creating a website, you'll be given manager ID. So you can manage your website from Samora bot, or if you have PC or you want to use your browser, you can still manage your website. Just go straight to manager. You can see here manager.service.com. So on this website, on this page, you can log into your website manager. Now this is my own ID, so open manager. The manager is open. How can you find your own manager ID from your phone, from your Samora bot? Go to your website manager and scroll down. You will see manager ID here. You can see it here. Here we go. Now we are moving on to online form. I can create form using Samora bot. You can see here we have create page and we have create form. So we click on this place to create form. I don't have any form before, so I click on this. Now the question is, what is the name of the form you want to create? Let me just call it student registration. Now what is the description? Let me just put fill in the form and you will be enrolled. That description I want to add to the form, so let me click on save. Now you can see it is saved successfully, but here I have no field and I have no record. So that means we have not added any fields into this form, and we don't have any record. Okay. Now if you want to add, let me quickly check this form. This, you can see this icon for clipboard. You want to copy the URL, so you click here. Now here is the URL. Let's check it on browser. You can see this form does not have any field. You see this form contains no field. Good. Now you already know what is called edit, and with this to delete. So we have known how to copy. Now what remains is this plus. This plus is used to add field into your form. So let me click on this plus. Now it's telling me that what is the name of the field I want to add. First name. We have text, we have email. Now you know the meaning of text is that it can accept anything, both text, both number. It can accept any form of character. So I want to go for text. Now what about this? Is it required? Yes. That means they must provide their first name before they can proceed to submit. So let me save it. Let's check our form whether this field is added or not. Now my form, you can see I have first name now on my form. So let me click on submit. It's saying required because we chose required that time. Good. Now let's go on. I want to add more fields. Let me add last name, text. It should be text, required. Let me add email address. Here you choose email, then here you choose required. One more, so let me add mobile number. You know this is mobile number, it can be text, so let's look for this telephone mobile number. So click here. Is required. Another one, how old are you? I just know is there for minutes in your life. So this should be number and should be required. I believe you understand what is called required. Required means the field, you must fill it before you can proceed. Okay, so let me use state. This is like state of origin, state. So let me put is still text. Now here we have not required. That means not a must. it is not a must. Now here I have 6 fields with 0 record because I've not received any record from it. Okay, now let's test run how this thing works, or let's click on these 6 fields. Click on it. These are the fields I have added, so that means I can edit and I can delete. In case you want to edit, click here. You can see I can edit it, update, and even I can delete. So if you want to add more field, you click on this plus. You can see to add more field. Now let me check my record. Click here. Now it shows this URL, so let me follow this URL. You can see here we can export it as JSON, we can export it as PDF and then CSV. This is the name of the form, and then there is no record. You can see we have first name, last name, email, mobile. How are you? How old are you? State, date. This date you did not have it, but by default, Samora will had it for you. Okay, now we go to, let's check out our form. This is our form link. You remember that this is our form. You click on this place to copy the link, and you want to get the record, you click on this record. So let me click on this block. Here is our URL for the form. So this is the URL you will share with people. You can see this is my form. Now on this form, it is called student registration, which I added here. You can see, and here the details under it is the description I had at that time. Okay, now the name is let me use Saeed. Now the email address here, you can see that it shows red because it is required. Let me press enter. I press enter. You can see it's telling me that this is required. Why this one is not required? That is why it does not show red. Okay, now let me provide my, okay, no, I want to provide just this. You know, his email. Let me enter. You see it is not going. It's telling me that I must enter correct email. So until I had Gmail, until I use correct email. My phone number, let me use this phone number aspect. You can still use number under here. Do you know why? Because this is mobile number and I'm typing number and I'm typing text, it is going. So I will need to adjust this field for mobile number. So let me change this to, it doesn't accept this telephone, is only on phone. So let me use this number. Okay, now let's refresh our form. The name is Saeed, and choose this email address. Now you can see I'm typing, is not going, it's requesting for only number. Okay, so let's put this. Now how old are you? Here you can see I type number, is only E, you know, E is for exponential, so it will accept that. Now you see text is not going, so how old are you? Just put any number there. Now the state of origin, so let us put maybe is not required. Anyway, it's not required because here, let me press enter. You can see it's only this place that shows red, so that place is not required. So state is not required, but you can still put it there. So by end, let me click on submit and see what will happen. You can see data is submitted successfully. You want to restart. Now here, let's go back to our form. You can count one record, so click here. Now copy the link. Let's go to our URL. You can see, very nice, fantastic. The name of this, you can see in my name, email address, phone number, how old are you? This is the digit, now the state, and by default date will come. The time I submitted this thing is 27th of June 2020 by this time exactly, and the time zone is Africa, Lagos. So that means it will use Nigeria time zone. Good. Now how can you export this data? I can export it like as PDF, as JSON, as PDF, as CSV. This CSV you use Microsoft Excel to check it, to open it. We are going to do that one after the other. So let me click on JSON. This is JSON. this is how JSON looks like. You can see this is for programmers. Now let me check it as PDF. Let's say it's PDF. You can see how it arranges. So this is this PDF. Okay, after that, now if you check this PDF, there are some, it shows you can see it's not complete. So I will advise you to use Chrome just use Ctrl P as if you want to print out. Then you click on save as, you select save as PDF, then you click on save. You can see save it. Now it is saved successfully. Let me check my I think it's under download. Is it? It's under download. You can see it, you can see now it is complete. Okay, it is complete. In case you have like 1,000 or 1 million records here, now you can see the date. The name is called student registration data. So if I search, I can search for anything I like. You can see, in case you have many record here, you can see, you can search your PDF. Good. Now let's go to CSV. Now this is downloaded. Now you're going to use Microsoft Excel to open this. Okay, good. Now you check here, last name, email address, phone number. You can say here, I think you understand that. Good. Let's move on to, this is our record and you know how to export now. So in case you want to add, this is, you just, let me add more, we start. Let me add another thing there, and I'll make this one to be empty. Okay, so let's try another record. Phone numbers. Now I don't want to provide let me use another thing. Now I don't want to provide state this time around, so let's see whether I just submitted successfully. Let's go back to our data, just refresh. You can see now this is the first record, this is the last record, which is which is the last one. So you see, because what we did here is that new record will come first. New record will come first. Okay, so you can see the state I provided none, so I did not provide any dates here. Good. So in case you want to, if you delete your form, all fields and all records will be deleted. All fields and all record will be deleted. Okay, you can add more. You can see here, you can add more form. Now Samora allows you to add unlimited forms, unlimited fields, and unlimited records. So if you have any questions, you can still reach me on the you find my details at the video description below. Okay, that's how to work with Samora. And if you want to create websites using Samora, you can still check my channel. You find many tutorials on Samora. But thanks for watching.